Yeah, I'm in my local Lowe's and I found a few little stocking stuffers. They're marked down. It's only $1, but got a 13-in-1 mini tool, different colors, cobalt tape measure. Those are different colors too. Alright, here's one of the tape measures. There's one of the tools. There's a good deal on a little giant ladder, $94.98 down from $169. Handy little suckers too. Well, it's not a DeWalt or a Cobalt or a Milwaukee, but it's Project Source 3-gallon pancake air compressor. It's not bad. Marked down to $10 to $39.98. If you need a little something in the garage, that would work well.